Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we're going to be creating a catch-all spread for the week of July 8th through the 14th. If you are seeing my planner after the setup, yes, I already changed the cover. The folio was really not conducive to me, so I couldn't flip back my planner to right. So I pulled up my Live Love Posh cover in that cognac color, and that's what I decided to use. So since it is summer right now, I wanted to make sure that we can use these beautiful, really light and airy colors from the Office Chic from Live Love Posh. I am loving that sticker book, so first and foremost, I'm going to put my checklists in so I can stay productive, and then we're going to focus on boxes and decorating. Super excited about this one. The stickers are just stunning, and if this is your first time joining, welcome. I am so glad you found me. I hope you like this type of videos, and if you do, go ahead and subscribe. I would really love to have you here. If you are coming back to spend more time with me, as always, you guys are amazing. Thank you so much. So also, if you guys haven't seen my monthly this month, it's because the recording did not pan out. When I went to edit, the camera never focused, so my video was horrible quality, and there's no way I can redo a whole monthly, especially because I do so many spreads. So this month, no video. So if you were waiting for that, I'm so sorry. It's just not happening this month, but they are kind of fun and different. So I will be posting them on Instagram if you're interested in seeing those, and we'll go from there. Okay, these boxes, they match perfectly in color. They're from Mojo Jojo Plans, and it is her Summer 2.0. These colors are just perfect, so I'm just using these very light teals, and I'm gonna add these like very light khaki browns. I love these colors together. I think they look so beautiful. So, and as always, I am going to try to keep a very full spread. This has become my style lately. I enjoy my spreads when they are the fullest, so I'm gonna be attempting to do that once again. So once the boxes are in, we're gonna be able to add lots of different decorations, but before that, I want to make sure that these are in so I can be as functional as possible. If you guys saw my lineup, you also saw that I added a new planner. It is a goal planner from the Daily Grind. It is actually quite amazing. I am going to be doing a first weekly setup in there because these are daily pages. So if you want to see that, stay tuned as well. Okay, this laptop is so beautiful, but it's like laying down crooked, so I'm gonna fix it. Okay, much better. Look how pretty. Okay, that will work. And now I want to add that journal, but I'm gonna remove some lines because these stickers are so like delicate and faint. I want to do them justice. Look at even these binders, like so beautiful. Okay, so I am going to be adding this big planner right there. Again, a very faint and delicate colors, but these are perfect for summer, at least I think so. I am loving this so much. Look at that, like a whole little office with bookshelves. And I'm gonna add this little green lamp. Look how adorable this is. Okay, so I'm gonna lift it up and then remove a little bit of that line. Look at that, much better. I love all of these elements. I think they are so fun. So, and again, I am kind of going for a full spread here in case You're like, that's a lot of stickers. I know, but I don't feel very bad for using all of them. So I like I said, I like having so much in my planner. My weeks tend to be busy, so I do like having the room to write, but I also need a very pretty planner to keep me motivated. Otherwise, I would never open it. So, okay, moving on. These girls are so stunning. I am going to add few more quotes, and I'm gonna be closer and closer to getting done. I think, I don't know, let's see. Work hard, stay humble. Okay, let's remove that line and see. And it's crooked because I am, oh, okay. And that D kind of looks like another circle, but oh well, that will work. I want to add a few more quotes because I really do like these little sayings in my planner. So we're gonna do slay the day on Sunday, even though I probably won't be slaying anything that day, but it's meant for the week, so all good. And we have boss babe, work hard, stay humble. We're gonna do boss vibes only. Boss babe vibes only. I want to do like a skinnier, smaller quote in there, and I'm gonna cut this long one in pieces. Flaunt your brilliance. Style follows. And then office chic. Hashtag office chic. Yeah, okay. So I think that will look good so far. How about boss babe right there to kind of balance everything out? Yeah, I love that. Okay, I am loving these colors, you guys. I don't know what you guys feel like, but I am kind of obsessed with the colors. And we are all done. Let me know what you think about the spread. I am super, super excited to share this with you. And I'll see you guys soon for another plan with me. Thanks for